Hello everyone, I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to make your own movies for your group projects. I'm on a Windows PC and so I will be using the program called Windows Movie Maker. If you are using an Apple computer, you will use iMovie. So again, Movie Maker, there it is. And this is generally what you're going to see here. So you can start a new project. It's going to look exactly the same. If you want to add videos and photos, you'll need to access your videos and your photos. So here we have, sorry about that. Here we have the first clip. And there you have it. Now, another cool thing that you can do with that is drag and drop. So typically when I'm making a video, I like to have all my clips in one localized place, so I can either drag and drop directly into, or I can drag and drop the folder rather than each individual component. So my clips are out of order. I know what order they need to be in, so I'm going to go ahead and rearrange everything. Literally, again, you just drag it and move it. So you see we're rearranging the order. And at this point, I know that this is the order that my video needs to be in. And sorry for my teammates, I am using actual clips of you. As you're working on your project, you want to be sure to save and save often. In order to do so, you'll click on File, Save Project As, and I like to save to my desktop just to be sure that I can access it quickly in the future and save. So when I access this file from my desktop, it's going to bring me back to the same editing bay, and that way I can continue to work on my project where I left off. Essentially though, this is a completed project and I could turn it in to the professor. We have all of the clips that we intend to use, they're all in the right order, and they do create one cohesive video. So if I wanted to go ahead and do that, I would click File, Save Movie, and click on Recommended for this project. Now at this particular point, you are going to be rendering a file into movie format, so it's going to take several minutes in order to do so. For me personally, I would not be ready to submit this to the professor. I like to add on a couple animations or visual effects, transitions between slides so that it is a little bit more aesthetically pleasing to watch. For instance, watch how these two clips connect.
Makes sense in order for us to be effective leaders.
Choppy. I don't like that. So we're going to go up to animations, and just beneath here you see we have a variety of different transitions. There are a handful. We'll use a very basic transition since we're not doing a major production here.
Hi.
And we'll go ahead and apply it to all. So anywhere where you have two clips that join together, you'll have this smooth transition. So let's check out that transition one more time.
That makes sense in order for us to be effective leaders.
Hi, I'm Zach.
Awesome. And as I mentioned before, each of our clips will be connected by that same transition because I did select Apply to All.
That is why there has been so many studies and research about it.
Hi, my name is Aaron.
Awesome. So as you can see, I can click all over my storyboard here, and wherever I click, that bar is going to follow. So let's put this bar at the very front of the project. If you want to add a title page to this, you're going to go to Home, make sure you've got your bar at the very front here, click on Title. We're going to rename this Group 1 Project. And I mean, even that you can add different effects to. Really, it's just, you can do so many different things using this program. It just depends on how much time you have to play around and how much effort you want to put into it. So we're going to do a very basic intro here. And at the very end of the clip, we're going to do some credits. We'll just say, thank you. Awesome. File. Save movie. Recommended for this project. Save. Voila. There you have it. It'll take a few minutes, but ultimately you will have a video ready to roll.